Steve Weiss. So it's good to see you. Thanks for being here. Maybe Alphabet better than feared,
yep.
I think is maybe the way to say it. Would you look at it that way? You don't own the stock, but
no.
After what Snap reported, there was a lot of fear that the rollover was going to be affecting it too.
Yeah, I think that's true. And Snap has always been sort of like a follow-on. They had a last good quarter, but it's never been sustained since they've been in business. And if you're going to cut back in your dollars, you're going to go where they're going to bring you the most eyeballs and the broadest viewership, and that, of course, is Alphabet. So, yeah, so the bar was set very low. I'd say they exceeded a low bar. It's encouraging. The stock's basically flat. I mean, that is flat, so that's pretty positive.
Better than the reverse. And then there's Microsoft, right? You have a miss. You have a sort of panoply of events here. You've got Azure growth slowing, right? That's the real growth engine, right. Maybe why you want to pay a premium valuation for a Microsoft. PCs are weak, as the company said itself. Currency is a problem, as the company warned us would be the case, and that comes to fruition today.
Yeah, you know, it's interesting. I talked to chief technology people at big companies, and there are options aside from Microsoft and aside from Amazon. As a matter of fact, there's a private company out there called Wasabi, and they cut prices by 80%. Now, you'll use it for backup data, but that's meaningful. So I think you will see pricing come to that group. And sure, you could say 40% growth, still phenomenal. It is, but the trend is down. So it's enough to sustain them going forward, but I think you really want to be careful about betting on that as the engine just going forward uninterrupted. I just don't believe that'll be the case. Good for now, though.
Be careful reading too much into an early stock move, too, I think is part of the message here. The stock is down 1.25%, which if it was so disappointing, it would not be down just 1.25%. I should also let all of you know, too, that what happens after earnings is not necessarily the case after the call, which is at 5:30 Eastern time. Fast Money, obviously, will have the details there, but the stock has a tendency to reverse itself once Satya Nadella, of course, the CEO, gets on there and talks about what the real state of the business is. For somebody who is negative, by and large, on the market itself, earnings, you'd have to admit, are not nearly as bad as feared going in. What does it mean to somebody like you who has a predisposition here to be negative to the market because of your view on the environment?
That it's early, that the Fed impact really hasn't started to be impactful yet. So your early days, it takes a while for rate hikes, as it does for rate decreases, to go through the market, to go through the economy. We're not seeing that yet. Plus, keep in mind, seasonally, you're coming up in September, October, which are notoriously tough months for the market and will be for the economy. So, yeah, so bulls will be heartened by this. Bears, like myself, will say, you know what, the story's not done being told here. And you can see how nervous the market was in front of it. Look, I think the market could possibly bounce tomorrow, or it could be cautious, because don't forget, we got the Fed, and that's a whole different story.